Rhea Roma 1. Cleaning. Open door with key. Locate the engineer's key. Insert and turn key into lid. Coffee machine will reboot. Press program button. Select passcode 876. Select cleaning/rinsing. Press to just rinse mixer bowl. Press to rinse pipes. Press to clean brewer with a cleaning tablet. Option 1. Rinsing mixer bowl. Option 2. Rinsing pipes. Option 3. Cleaning brewer with tablet. Once you have selected the start button, your coffee machine will cycle through 6 steps and return to the main menu when finished. Don't forget to put a container under the spout to collect the rinsing agent. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your next coffee.